Hi everyone, today I'm going to make Zoug, which is a green chilli sauce from the Middle East. I based this on recipes that said they were authentic, so hopefully I'm not about to offend anyone. You're going to need half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and the seeds from 5 cardamom pods. 3 green chilies with the seeds in, and chop them quite chunky. I'm just using normal green chilies, but you can use jalapenos or serrano. Then 3 garlic cloves, chop them in half, just makes it easier when we're going to blitz them. And add the chilies and the garlic into the blender. Also add in the dried spices and some black pepper. And blitz that for about 30 seconds until it's broken down. Then add in 60 grams of coriander. Blitz it again for about 30 seconds. Open it up and just scrape the sides down to make sure everything's in place, and add a teaspoon of salt. You can do that at the beginning, but I forgot. Blitz that again and add 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. I don't usually measure it with a spoon, but there are a lot of pips in these lemons. Then add 1/3 cup of olive oil. I'm using the good stuff. Blitz that again, probably for about 30 seconds till it's all come together, and then it's ready. And put it into a bowl, and you can store it in the fridge or use it straight away. And it goes brilliantly with fish or meat or vegetables. It is quite spicy, so you may want to reduce the chilies. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.